received this from a company called Mileseey Tools, and it's a thermal imager. What's a thermal imager? We're gonna find out together. Let's see what's inside the box.
It is. It's so easy to use. You just plug it in your phone and put the app on. Bam.
Whoa, you see that? My face. Okay, pretty cool. So I'm gonna flip this around actually so I can go hunting my floor. Had a couple pipes break underneath my house, and it's not good. This is a great tool to use because last leak I had, you could feel it. The whole ground was hot. Having this thing will tell you right away exactly where it's at too. So when people come out, they don't need to spend a lot of time looking for it. Let's see what we can find. Let's hope we don't find anything. Here we go. This thing is pretty cool. I recommend it. See the link in the description if you want to get yourself one. And yeah, I just got some instructions ready to figure this thing out so I could dial it in. And then I could find maybe some leaks. Maybe I could find, who knows? I'll get my metal detector out and then we'll start tag teaming this unit with that.